Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, Thursday morning. If you didn't catch last night's webcast, go check that out. We talk about opportunistic trading, trying not to overtrade. I've been harping on overtrading all week because it's been a really compressed tape. We've talked about every one of these dips here. So May, June, July, August. After the dip and the recovery, the result has been very small range, slow moving tapes. I mean, you got a couple exceptions. Just these grinders. And you've seen dip, recovery, grind. Little candle, and the beginnings of another little candle. The way this looks on an hourly chart is this. So that's the tightest consolidation since April of 2021. We talked about that yesterday. And you had a little move up, little drip up to create a new all-time high at 44.98. They bring it back in a little bit. They traded as low as 80.25. We were actually short for that and didn't make any money on it. We got stopped out overnight. And now we're right back, 44.92, sitting on top of the hourly mid-band, which comes in right at 90. So we're right back in the zone. Powell speaks tomorrow, Jackson Hole. We'll see if anything comes of that. My concern today is if they don't want to take it anywhere, if they're shelving it into that speech, then go grab a pillow and your blanket and get real comfortable because there won't be much happening today. I would really, really like to be incorrect. And I have a tough time believing they're going to kill a whole other day into this. So it gets back to being opportunistic. There's going to be one to three opportunities probably to catch what we would call in the chat room a day maker trade. That's a trade that gives up sufficient handles for us to make our daily goal. Our daily goal in the room is 4 handles or better on a full position. So be opportunistic. At the same time, if we're chopping, so we end up long 85 yesterday, but that 85 long was preceded by an 81 to 86 no trade zone, where we opened up, it chopped, we said, you know what? We tried a few in each direction, but at the first hint of getting chewed up, we're out. This is the zone we don't want to trade. If you break below it, fine, we'll short it. You break above it, fine, we'll get long. Because we don't want what's in between. The problem that a lot of people have is they want to anticipate the move one way or the other. They feel like they're leaving too much on the table when they're in at 85 instead of being in at 83. The problem is this. If it's going to chop between 81 and 86 for another hour or hour and a half or 2 hours, and what we call that is Tuesday, where it just never let you out of the box. So if you're sitting there going, well, that's Tuesday. Right here. That's Tuesday. Okay? Don't be Tuesday. All right? If it's going to keep chopping, you are going to do trade after trade after trade after trade, chew yourself up, burn a bunch of commission, take a bunch of paper cuts, and just be mental jello. I would rather eliminate part of the chart. This part of the chart, 81 to 86, you don't have to worry about it. Let them beat themselves up in there. We will wait. We'll save our bullets and we'll wait. And so what happened yesterday, they convert that 85, 86 area. They come back to test it, 84s. It kept coming into VWAP. We talked about it on the midday update yesterday. There was a good visualization of it, he tried to say, on the chart. We bought it, and all we really wanted was a free look at our upper level, which was 90.25 yesterday, which we got. And then it goes and does 98, and we end up in a pretty decent trade. It was 8 and change at the end of the day, which is more than 4. That's all I care about. But you got to be opportunistic. Got to be opportunistic. It tried to break down from a bunch of stuff last night. Right here. We didn't catch it here. We caught it closer to here. A little bit, we got a free look, but it comes back up. We get stopped. It's fine. So here's where we are right now. This is a 5-minute chart. Volume weighted average price, 88. Proprietary moving average is 89.25. That's locked up with daily pivot. 5-minute mid, 90.75. And hourly mid there at 90. So you see this chunk. I want to be long above it. I want to be short below it. The opening print from yesterday was 85. We'll see how we open. So it's about 10 after 8 Eastern time as I'm doing this. Long above, short below. My concern is we're going to end up in another box, which is fine. We'll slap a no trade zone on it if we have to, and then we'll go from there. But don't overtrade. Don't make a not exciting day exciting, because it's usually just exciting for you and not in a good way. All right. Everybody have a great day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. I'll see you for the midday update. Get your butts in the room. Get over on the private Facebook group. Let us teach you how to do this stuff. All the best.